Hello, this is Chris Cowan. This is my recording of this week's enhancement. I think it's enhancement 6. Yeah, enhancement 6. So here we are at the site. We have our My Account link up here on the home page, and we can, I wonder if I should clear out the cookies. Maybe I will. I'll start fresh. I don't really know if that's necessary, probably not. But here we are, and I'll go to My Account, and we'll log in as a level 1. I'll do my cookie test one. I did a lot of cookie tests. All right, so there's my password. Log in, and changes to a logout. Link welcomes the user. Cookie7 is the first name. And there's the account information popped up, and it does not have access to the vehicle management screen. And we can go home, and the logout stays. And I'll go ahead and log out. And we'll go back to My Account. And this time we'll log in as the admin. Admin 340. Let's see if I can remember this. Super user, I think. All right, good. And log in. Here we are again. And it welcomes the admin user. There's the information. And this time it gives us access to vehicle management. And we click on that link. Takes us to the vehicle management page. The logout still is there. And I think that's all we needed, right? We can go home, we can log out, and everything works. This week was kind of a doozy. I learned a lot, so appreciate it. Thank you.